if you have a cleaning service or cleaning business, or you're thinking about starting one, this is the absolute best place to build your website. It is specifically made for local and small businesses, and these sites are beautiful. And even if you hate computers and you have no idea what you're doing, I promise you that in 1 hour, you can make this website with absolutely no technical experience, and you will not have to pay much at all to make it happen. So let's take a look at this. So this is Simple Website Builder. And now, like I said, it is everything you need to launch a beautiful one-page website, and you don't need to have any technical or design knowledge. All you do is choose a template, you fill in your content, and you hit publish. And you can do all of this for free before you even hit publish, and that's the only time you pay. This includes your domain name, your web hosting, the premium design themes. These are fully responsive and accessible websites, so your visitors are always getting a great experience. And you can do all of this from your mobile phone if you wanted to. You don't even need a computer. You can use their AI generation assistant to write the copy for you, so you don't have to do that. You can use the stock photos that are pre-licensed, so you don't even have to have photography. And you'll see a contact form where people can reach out to you, and services section and website analytics, and everything is all backed up and secured as well, so you won't lose any of your changes. And lots of small businesses absolutely love this because it is so easy, and because it's only $8 a month if you pay for the year for everything, or $10 if you just want to go month to month. There's no contracts. You can cancel anytime. It's just a very, very simple, ethical type of tool that you can use. So let's jump right into how to get started. If you go to the template section, and you search up cleaning, you will see this one. We can click on preview, and this is what it looks like. And this is just one of many variations of this design that you can quickly restyle, but all of these are stock photos that are built in that you can choose from. These are the main services that are here, like you can add your packages, testimonials, about section, a map that embeds itself, photos, FAQs, contact form, social media, all of that stuff. So all you have to do is click start with this template. And once you do, it's loaded up into the editor, and it's pre-selected here so that all you have to do is name it. So we're going to call this Spotless Cleaners. And then you add in a short description. And adding in more of a description here helps the AI know how to tailor your site and what to write if you use it. So go ahead and add in at least 60 characters. This is 200 that I've added here. Click Create Site. Now, this template is loaded up into the editor, and all you have to do is hover over these sections to edit it. There are kind of three main areas of this editor that you need to know. There's sections, design, and settings. In sections, you can see all of the page sections that you can add, and you can move these around if you wanted to. And you can add new page sections here. So let's say that you wanted to add an announcement bar at the top, like if you're running a special or something like that, or you want to add your phone number. And you can just drag and drop to reorder these, save them. And then the design section is really fun. This is where you upload your logo, you can change the size, you can change the entire color palette. So let's say you wanted to kind of go with this blue color. Let's say that your brand color is maybe like a green and aqua sort of green color. We can add that. And then you can change the font. These are already prepared and pre-designed by a professional designer for you. So you know that you're getting something that looks good, and you don't have to fuss with it. You can make it fully rounded. And you can even add animations here. So let's say it zooms out as the visitors scroll. So we'll save that, and then we can edit section by section. So let's say we wanted to edit this main header area. We can replace this image. You can upload your own, of course, or choose a stock photo. So let's say we look for cleaning, and then you can just drop that in. Okay, so now this photo kind of matches, and you can link to an external section, an external page, or to another section. So we add that, and we save changes. Now let's say we wanted to rewrite this description. We can do that. Just click in this box here and click on the AI button, and it's going to start reworking. Now I can add more to that, and then you just hit spacebar to accept that, or you can get rid of this altogether and then go to AI and click Start Writing, and it's going to write something for you. Beautiful. Experience the highest standard of cleanliness with meticulous attention to detail, etc. Pretty good. And then coming down here, You can do a lot of different things with this. So you can change the style of this section. Here you can have it without the card boxes like that, more free floating. And then for each of these items, you add an icon, which there's a huge library of icons here. So there's residential, you can use a house instead of an image, put in all of the details of this benefit here, and then you can save that. Okay. And then down to your services and packages. This is where you can detail more of what you're offering. And everything gets kind of truncated and cut off here so that it maintains a really beautiful, clean layout. So nothing's ever going to break and you don't have to worry about setting your text or typesetting anything, because when you click here, it just expands. And then keep going, right? You add your testimonials, very easy. You can add however many stars you want, occupation, photo gallery, frequently asked questions. And this contact form, you just connect it to your own email address and then you get these queries right to your email. Social media, of course. And that's not all. Let's say you want a completely different design. Well, in the design tab, you can also change the theme. This one is called static. There's another called Enso. Let's try that one. This is really cool. It has this image mask over it. So we'll go ahead and save that. And then we can restyle this image mask as well. So maybe you like the square theme. Maybe you like this theme. And there are many more. And if you want to kind of preview all of them, click on Edit, Change Style, and you can see all of them here. And this one's pretty cool. Everything looks a bit different. These are like more card, grid layouts for your services and packages. So this has a scrolling testimonial, so you might like this one better. One of our most popular ones is another theme called Cards. This is very beautiful as well, looks like that. And you can even restyle the navigation layout, so it's like left and right. Have a beautiful image up here. And again, this is kind of like a list of services, so you can mix and match and add completely different themes. And then you can even do dark design. So if you want to go a little bit more moody, we can go into something like that. Let's pick like a deeper kind of red color like that, or, and then, change your accent color to match. So there's no limit to what you can do here in a very simple way. It's not endless customization options. You're not dragging and dropping and moving things around. This is my absolute top recommendation. If you have a cleaning service or a cleaning business, or you're thinking about getting one, absolutely try it out. And you can even buy a domain name here. So you can search for something, let's say clean.com, search, and it will bring up all of your options. The .com might not be available, but it will also show you alternative suggestions. So you can purchase one of these, and then that connects directly to your website. And in the settings tab, of course, you can do things like change your domain name and connect your website analytics. So that's it. Honestly, you can do this in half an hour, and then you can just keep tweaking it and updating it as you go. And this really has been created with years of experience setting up websites for small businesses and cleaning services. So these are the sections that matter and get visitors to come, be interested, be impressed, and trust your business, and reach out and become a client. So give it a try and let me know what you think.